Ciao, I'm Chiara from Filo e Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet these beautiful summer flower earrings. It's a very easy project, great for beginners. For this project I use Nilo from Mondial. This is 100% cotton yarn and a 2mm hook, earrings hook and two little charms. First we do a magic ring, then chain 1, do not count as a stitch, then 6 single crochet inside the circle, now pull the tail, then 1 slip stitch in the first single crochet to complete this first round. Cut this tail to work clean, and now we are going to create the first petal using popcorn stitch. So we do chain 3, and this counts as your first double crochet, then do 4 double crochets in the same stitch. So now we have 5 double crochets, chain 3 and 4 double crochet. So now remove your hook. You remove your hook from the last stitch and insert it into the top of the beginning chain 3. Insert your hook into the last stitch, put the last stitch through the top of the chain 3. Chain 2. And now we do another popcorn stitch in the next stitch. So we do 5 double crochets. Now remove your hook from the last double crochet and insert it into the first double crochet of the 5 double crochet group. Insert your hook into the last double crochet and pull it through the first double crochet. Chain 2 and repeat this all the way around. Now we do a slip stitch in the third chain to complete this round. And now we have 6 petals. And now we are going to increase in each of chain 2 space. So now we do chain 3, remember this counts as your first double crochet, then do 4 double crochets in the same space. So now remove your hook from the last stitch and insert it into the top of the beginning chain 3. insert your hook into the last stitch, pull the last stitch through the top of the chain 3, chain 2, and now we move directly to the next chain 2 space where we do 2 sets of popcorn stitch. So we do 5 double crochets, remove your hook from the last double crochet and insert it into the first double crochet of the 5 double crochet group. Insert your hook into the last double crochet and pull it through the first double crochet, chain 2, and now we do another popcorn stitch in the same space. Continue this sequence until the end of this round. Now we do 1 popcorn stitch in the last chain 2 space. Chain 2, then we do 1 slip stitch in the 3rd chain, and now we have 12 petals. Now we move in the next chain 2 space using a slip stitch, then chain 1, and now we do 4 single crochet in each of these chain 2 space all the way around. Now we move directly into the next chain 2 space and we do another 4 single crochet. And continue this sequence until the end of this round. And now we do a slip stitch into the first single crochet. Okay, now we're going to do 1 round of crab stitch or reverse single crochet to create a nice finish. So chain 1, and now we insert the hook back into the second last stitch, then we do 1 single crochet. And we do another single crochet into the next right stitch. And continue to do this until the end of this last round. Now we turn the earring and we do a slip stitch into the first single crochet to complete this final round. Okay, now we cut the yarn, leave a long tail because we will use it to sew the charm on it. This is the finished earring with the charms and the earring hook. So now let's complete it together. So now we take the charm and we insert it into the tail using a needle. And now we do a couple of knots and then insert again the tail in the charm using the needle. And now weave the tail into the earrings. Okay, now we are ready to sew the earring hook using a piece of yarn and a needle. And now do a knot, a couple of knots, and weave the tails. The summer flower earrings are now complete, but I want to show you some other ideas. For example, this yellow, very summery. I decorated with the 2 small wooden balls. And look this with 2 colors. Very nice. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. If you make your summer flower earrings, remember to tag me and put the hashtag Orecchini Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!